All right, if you look at slide number 2, it says visual. What will I show my students while I'm teaching? Examples, slides, posters, etc. I will show my students. Here's a page where you can add any links to pictures of posters you create or links to other documents, slides, iMovies, or whatever. To add a link, what you would do is first, if you notice at the top of my screen, I have some tabs open. For example, if I want to add this video into mine, I'm going to click up here and notice how the entire address for this video is highlighted. Then I'm going to click Control C for copy. Okay. Then I'm going to click back on my EdCamp presentation and say I want a video link. I'm going to put that on here to where if somebody clicks here, they can watch that video. So first you want to highlight the text, and then I'm going to come up here. This is the link button. I want to insert a link. So now if I push this button, here's the text that's going to appear, video link, and I'm going to Control and V because I already had the address copied. Now I just push Control V, paste, and apply. Now, if I click here on this video link, it'll take me straight to YouTube to watch that video. Okay, so I have my video linked. Now let's say I have a page of directions that I want people to be able to get to. So I have that in my Google Docs. So I'm going to open the Google Doc at the top of my screen, and notice I also have my EdCamp presentation open. I'm going to click over to my Google Doc at the top, and notice up here there is an address. If I tap in the address bar, the whole address turns blue. And then with it blue, I'm going to push Control C to copy it. Then I'm going to click back to my presentation tab. I'm going to highlight where it says Doc Link. I'm going to click the Insert a Link button. Whoops. Insert a link. And then I'm going to push Control V, and that pasted that link right in there. Apply, and then I can test it to make sure. I can click here, and there it is. Now, let's just say you added a link already, but you don't like it and you want to change it. So what you do is when you select the link, notice over here it has options to where you could change it. Say you accidentally copied the wrong address and you want to change the address. You can click Change, and you would just push Delete, and it'll delete the address. You could go back and then Control copy the right address, click back to EdCamp, Control V for paste the address, and then add it in. Or if you do not want to have a link at all, you can click Remove, and it'll delete the link. So that is how you add a link into your Google Slides presentation, or that's how you include a link in any type of a Google document. You can even, if I have a Google Doc, this button up here always means to insert a link. So if you highlight a portion of text and then click Insert a Link, I can add a link to, say, this video over here. I can Control copy the video address. If I go to that Google Doc and Control V paste, it pasted that address. Now in my Google Doc, when kids go to this Google Doc, they could watch the video on how to make a catapult just by touching here and going to that address. So that is how you're going to add links into your Google Slides for EdCamp. There is directions for how to do the links. And if you want to watch this video again, you'll click right here and you'll see this video.